The Hyatt Place Kyoto is just steps away from the train station, making it easily accessible. There's even a pretty solid coffee shop attached to the building, which you can enter from the hotel. Hyatt Places are typically nothing special, but this one is definitely not the ordinary. Upon entering your room, you can appreciate the clean and modern design. There's a small table and couch towards the back, which can double as a work area. At the entrance, there's a small area to hang your clothes and to store your luggage. Off to your right is the minibar, as well as a water carafe to fill up. The king-size bed was really appreciated, but it was on the firmer side. The bathroom was decent size and of course had the standard bidet-style toilet. There were a few washers and dryers that were pretty inexpensive, so the Hyatt Place is a great stop mid-trip to do some laundry. The gym was larger than I expected and was barely used by any guests. Around the corner from the gym and laundry is a small bar area. And the dining area, which is where breakfast is served. The breakfast selection was far better than most Hyatt Places in the United States. Overall, the Hyatt Place Kyoto is a solid option to visit on your next trip to Kyoto.